Hello friends, I hope you're doing well, and here supermarket flare pack in AI, APS, PSD and for Adobe InDesign, but these are protected first unit subscription for access of my all file. Go to Sheri pwd.com and get subscription for lifetime, just one time payment. Okay, then you have access of my all file. First supermarket in this file for Photoshop and this for InDesign. Detail you check here and open in Photoshop in CMYK color. That's mean you can print. Okay, your text here, logo and company, product bar, object bar and background image. Background, you can change background. Okay, product bar, product one, extract this one, and you can mention or upgrade or customize anything. Even you can import your own photo. Now next, grocery store, AI, APS, PSD and PSD. All design are same, just different format. Ice cream supermarket, you can customize in Photoshop. Here for scare flare Instagram, and here poster like a flare. Okay, next, same thing, supermarket, and here for Photoshop. I know you know how to customize in Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator. For camera market, and here grocery store. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.